For today is Oreo Dirt Cup. The ingredients is 2 cups of cold milk, 1 package of chocolate jello, and then 1 container of whipped topping, and then a package of Oreos, and then gummy worms or gummy frogs, or the both, and then 10 plastic cups. This is Adventures with Colin and Erica, and today we're cooking dirt cups with gummy worms and gummy frogs.
All right. You guys ready to get started?
Mm-hmm.
What are we starting with first? You guys want to crush some Oreos?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Get the Oreos out.
First, we're going to start mashing up our Oreos.
All right. Show them how it's done. Getting them crushed. On. Why don't you switch tools?
Wait, can I just smash it once? There.
Hold it up.
Getting tired.
Your arm's getting tired.
Yes.
All right. You want to call that done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's the next step? What do you think we do next?
Jello, maybe?
You want to mix up some Jello?
First, get your 1 package of chocolate jello and then 2 cups of milk, and then start mixing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's getting messy.
Then you pour the milk in. And then mix. Erica?
You guys stirring together?
Mm-hmm.
Mixing it all up?
Yes. Ah!
I see milk on the side. Mix for 2 minutes and set it for 5 minutes.
What's going on? You guys bored?
Yes,
What are you waiting on?
the jello.
Why?
Because it has to sit for 5 minutes.
Oh.
After letting your pudding sit for 5 minutes, add 8 ounces of whipped topping.
Not my turn. Yeah.
How much is 8 ounces?
Ah.
It's the whole thing.
Oh.
Can I do some?
Let's put it in there. And then.
Wait. Wait, hold on.
No, now I'm doing this one. Come on.
Oh. You might need a bigger bowl. Let Erica do one.
Oh no.
Maybe we should have used the bigger bowl.
Uh-huh. Alright, do you need a little help?
Ew.
Is that all of it?
There's some on the sides and the bottom.
It should look good all mixed up like this. And then the next step is add 2 spoonfuls of Oreo and then add the Jell-O and then repeat that process.
How is it?
Good.
Did you tried it?
Yep.
Because it got on my finger.
Okay, now fill up the top, Erica, with a whole bunch of Oreo. So it looks like dirt on the top. You want it to look like dirt, right?
Well, it's not at the top yet.
No.
Can I just put the whole bag in?
If you want.
Okay.
Not the spoon.
Smith's gonna get captured.
What can I?
That's good. That's what you want. Yep, fill it up the top.
No, a bit more.
Did you pause it? Huh.
There you go. Alright. We'll flatten it out. Alright. Alright, Colin, put in a little more pudding. A little more.
A little bit more.
Then you're going to fill it to the top and make it look like dirt.
Do I just grab it?
He was first. Yeah, go ahead and grab it with your hands. Oh.
And then decide if you want worms or frogs, or you can do both.
Both. Daddy, can I eat with this? Can I? That was good.
What are you doing, frogs?
Both.
I am doing worms. Both? I'm doing both. I'm eating it. Frog. And there's froggy here. 2 little froggy there.
Worms, please.
Stick the worm down in the dirt.
Kind of like it's coming up. Ooh.
Alright. Alright. You guys want to try it now?
Wait.
Mine's not done. It needs a Christmas worm.